How to temporarily deactivate an Instagram account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to temporarily deactivate an Instagram account. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device or go to the Instagram website and log in with the account you want to deactivate. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right on the mobile app. On the mobile app, tap on Menu in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Here, tap on Account Center. Then, select Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control right below the identity confirmation. Next, tap on Deactivate or Deletion. To start the process, select the account that you would like to temporarily deactivate. Here, select the option of Deactivate Account. After that, tap on the Continue button given at the bottom. Then, you will need to enter your password to continue. Instagram will ask you to select a reason for deactivating your account. Choose the most appropriate option from the list. After entering your password and selecting a reason, you will be prompted to confirm that you want to deactivate your account. Once confirmed, your account will be temporarily deactivated. Keep in mind that deactivating your account is different from deleting it permanently. If you want to reactivate your account later, you can simply log in again. Also, check out our video on how to unblock someone on Instagram Laptop 2023. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.